The PP hollow ball cutter NC03 is a multifunctional cutter. Pulling grooves is one of its functions. Furthermore, it can also pull cuts. At the same time, the way of cutting and grooving can also be switched by changing the mode of cutter from pulling to pushing. After the conversion, it does not affect the use. On the contrary, it's still awfully excellent to use. You can push grooving or cutting. Only till the blade can be replaced. There's no need to fear that the blade will be damaged. The operation of the replacement is fairly simple. However, the blade is very sharp. Please pay attention to safety.